I'm your host, Jeremy, and this is Batman Fan F. You are watching Batman Fan F. I'm your host, Jeremy. Please like this video. Hello. So, I'm gonna start recording my videos from this angle in my bedroom because I've got a new bed. So, I have more room in my bedroom now because the new bed I have is a twin size. So I can now sit on my bed and record my videos. So this is going to be the new angle that you're going to be seeing in most of my videos on both of my channels, Batman Fan F and Night Ministries. But this video is for Batman Fan F. And we're doing another Do Not Open toy review. And the other reason I will now be recording videos from this angle is the room has been redesigned, so I'm thinking of getting a bookcase, which will be going right here. I know that's in front of a window, but I never opened that window anyways, so it'll work fine there. And the measurements I've taken says that the bookcase should fit fine there. So yeah, I'll be putting a bookcase in my room right here in front of this window. It's going to be a 3-shelf bookcase, okay? Okay, so the toys we will be reviewing in this Do Not Open toy review are... If I can get him down. This Superman toy from McFarlane Toys. This Superman toy is a pretty good toy. I really like the design of it. It kind of reminds me of the Superman from Superman the Animated Series, if you remember that from back in the 90s. So it looks like a very nice toy. I like it. We have this Darkseid toy, also from McFarlane Toys. So yeah, I really like this particular Darkseid toy. It has a nice height to it and would go very well with a lot of your other toys. So yeah, this Darkseid toy. And this Batman toy. Also McFarlane. So yeah, this Batman toy, which fits very well with this channel, Batman Fan F. So yeah, a Batman toy for a Batman channel. So yeah, fits very well with it. This particular Batman toy kind of reminds me of the same design from the Justice League Unlimited cartoons, if you remember those. This Batman toy kind of reminds me of that design. So yeah, I kind of like this particular toy. It is a little different, but it does kind of remind me of what Batman looked like in the Justice League cartoons from the 90s. So yeah, I do really like this toy. Nice height. I like this toy. It's a nice toy. that's those toys. So let's also look at, don't think I've shown you this Catwoman, or Selina Kyle, which is what it says in the box, Selina Kyle, but we all know that's Catwoman. So this Catwoman toy from the Batman movie. It's a nice toy, so yeah, I like this toy. There's also this, the Penguin toy. The Penguin toy. This is a nice toy, and I don't know if they have it for this set, but I've been looking for the Riddler toy that's in the same height as this. If anyone can find the Riddler toy that's in the same height as this and similar packaging, please direct me to it, because I really want to find a Riddler toy from the Batman that has a similar height to these toys and is in similar packaging. If somebody can find the Riddler, please direct me to it. I have found some Riddler toys from the Batman, but not in that height or that kind of packaging. So if you can find a Riddler toy that's from the Batman that is in that height and that packaging, please direct me to it. There's also this Batman toy. And this particular Batman toy, there's something I would love to do with this toy. If I ever get a chance to go to a Comic-Con and Robert Pattinson is at the con, I'm going to have him sign the back of this box with the phrase, "I guess vampires really do turn into bats," and sign it to Jeremy. So, if you're watching this, Robert Pattinson, if I ever come to a con, you're going to be signing the back of this box. Okay? Remember that. So those are the toys I wanted to review for this particular Do Not Open toy review. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and join me next time for another video on Batman Fan F. Okay? If you have not seen my Mars clock video, I would like you to go watch it now. I will link it in the description. Watch more of my videos, and join me next time for another toy review or Let's Play Minecraft video. Okay? Please like this video, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell, do all the YouTube things. Please like this video. You have been watching Batman Fan F, and I'm your host, Jeremy. You have been watching Batman Fan F, and I'm your host, Jeremy.